So we just left Jim's house, and we thank him for his
Jim Miller.
his hospitality and letting us stay on his property and just share his life with us. Wonderful, wonderful man.
I feel like we've known him for 20 years.
But now, today, going back up to the peninsula, we have two firsts. What are our firsts today?
We're going over a floating bridge.
The Hood River, no, the Hood
Yeah, Hood River.
Floating Bridge. So that'll be a first. We'll see how that goes, and then
Oh, in our first hip camp. This one's got a full hookup right on the peninsula, like a couple blocks away from the ocean. So it should be a beautiful couple of days there.
it's like the Airbnb of camping. So we'll have to see how this all works out. I think
Yep.
it's going to be great. We're going on a floating bridge.
A floating bridge? Tell me about it.
I hope we're not too heavy.
So we've thoroughly enjoyed Olympic National Park. Such a diverse national park. I mean, last week we were in the ocean side and in the rainforest. I actually leave a link up here to that video. And today we're in the mountains, Hurricane Ridge, and it's just amazing. You look behind us, it looks like the Alps.
Yeah.
But
Mount Olympus right there, and on the other side is the ocean. Well, the Strait of Juan de Fuca.
Juan de Fuca.
Juan de Fuca.
The Strait of Juan de Fuca, but it's been a
Port
great time.
Angeles. Yeah, it's a beautiful hike if you get a chance to do it. It's well worth it. It's all paved, but it's all uphill too, which is
Yeah.
okay. We're gonna go downhill now, so.
That's the advantage of coming up hills, so you go downhill when you're tired. So looking forward to the rest of our hike here. Let's follow along.
It's July 26th. Oh, good shot!
Got me.
So
it a he or she?
It's a she.
It's a she. What's her name?
Olympia. Canada.
Left my camera guy at home, so I had to come back and get it.